Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to start our day by doing a warm-up with some rhyming words. I'm going to record this just like we would in our morning meeting. The first two words I'm going to say are loose, goose. Your turn. I can't talk. Let's try that again. Loose, goose. Your turn. Good. Loose, goose. They both end in oose. Next two words, luck, duck. Luck, duck. Show me a thumbs up. Do they rhyme or not rhyme? Luck, duck. They both end in uck. So yes, they do rhyme. How about this one? Blue, purple. Blue, purple. Do those two words rhyme or not? They do not. They're both colors, but they don't rhyme. Because if we say blue and purple, we can't say that they end the same way, and that's how we can tell if they're rhyming words or not. Here we go again. Rock, sock. You say it. Good. Rock, sock. They both end in ock. Okay, next words. We're going to think about what does our mouth do at the beginning of the words. Ready? Home. You say it. Home. What does our mouth do at the beginning of that word? It makes the h sound. H makes that sound. Next word. Ready? Jug. Jug. You say it. Jug. Good. It makes the j sound, J. The next word is kind. Kind. The word kind begins with k. It's the letter K. That's the sign language for K. The next word is look. Say look. Do you notice how my tongue comes up? That's that L sound. L. Next word is give. It's kind of a tricky one. Give. The word give starts with g. Give. Okay, we're going to say two different words and then join them together. The word is workout. Work out. What's the word? Workout. Good. The word is everywhere. Do it with me. Everywhere. What's the word? Everywhere. Next word, stoplight. Stop, light. What's the word? Stoplight. Okay, I'm not going to give you the word this time. I'm going to say the two parts. I'm going to give you just a second to think about it, and then we'll put them together. Maybe I'll say it twice to begin with. How about that? Wheel, chair. Wheel, chair. What's the word? Wheelchair. Good. How about sail, boat? Sailboat. Put it together. It's sailboat. Good. How about the word cupcake? Cupcake. Cupcake. Good. All right. Now we're going to think about what does our mouth do at the end of the word. This is kind of a new practice. So I'll do it, then you do it. Okay. The word is sneeze. I'm paying attention to what my mouth does at the end. I know it makes the sound at the beginning, but I want to find out what it does at the end. So if I say it slowly, sneeze. Ooh, what do you hear at the end? Z. It's the letter Z. How about crab? Say crab. My mouth did the b sound at the end. How about the word side? Say side. It's d at the end. All right. Let's do some. We have the ending word day. And then if we add birth, birthday, birthday. Good. Now we're going to take away the birth and add sun. Sunday, Sunday. Now we're going to take away the sun and add every day. Good, every day. Now we're going to take away every, and add week. Weekday. Weekday. Good. Okay. How about we take away part of a word? That's kind of tricky. How about we say the word sunroom? Sunroom. Now we're going to take away the sun. What do we have left? Room. Good. If we have the word playroom, playroom. If we take away the play, room. Good. If we have the compound word bedroom, bedroom, take away the bed, room. Good. All right, let's count some words in a sentence. You want to? I'll say it, then you say it. We like to count. We like to count. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4. I do my fingers differently than if I was counting for this counting words in a sentence. Okay. Do the cars go? Yep, there was 4. Do the cars go fast? Do the cars go fast? That's a question. Do you hear my voice go up at the end? I read it that way because there's a question mark. It's a punctuation mark at the end. You are smart kids. It's true. Say it with me. You are smart kids. Let's count the numbers, or count the number of sentences. You are. Goodness, Miss Olson. Count the number of words in the sentence. Ready? You are smart kids. There's 4. Alrighty. Now we are going to read. Our book today is called Here is the Beehive. Look at the cute little bees on the front cover. It is illustrated by Nancy LaBerge Murin, and she's the illustrator. Do you know what an illustrator does? Did you say draws the pictures? Good job. Yes, an illustrator draws the pictures. Again, read it with me. Here is the beehive. Do you remember yesterday we talked about the? That was at the end of our book. I bet it's at the end of this book too. Ready? Here is the beehive. Ready? Read it with me. Here is the beehive. Where are the bees? Look at, that's the question mark I was talking about. And there's a period at the end of that sentence. So let's read this one again. Here is the beehive is what this one says. Here is the beehive. And then we take a breath because that's the end of our sentence. Where are the bees? It's a question mark. My voice didn't really go up at the end of that one, but you could. Where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Soon, and this little ... means that you pause before you read the next word. So read it with me, touch and read. Hiding away where nobody sees. Soon they come creeping out of their hive. So let's read this first. Soon, and then we pause because there's those 3 dots. They come creeping out of their hive. There is a video that I have attached on the slideshow that sings this song that you could watch first, and then you'll know the words a little bit better. They're a little bit different, but it'll help you to know it a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know these numbers. The only one we haven't really worked with is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at that punctuation mark at the end there. It is an exclamation point. It's a straight line down and a dot at the bottom. These little guys here are called commas, and they just separate things that are in a list. We have lots of numbers. You need to add commas so you can tell it's a different number. This is, we've done it on several of our books, the end. The end. And there's that word, the. So you could go back and see how many the's there are. There's quite a few. Okay. So your job is to color the pictures What color are bees? So you could color the yellow, and this is already kind of colored black. And then I want you to touch and read 2 times. And then you could get on Epic, or you could make a literacy choice on Clever, or you could be on Teach Your Monster to read. Or if you have a favorite book at home and you have someone that wants to read to you, great. Okay. Or you could stay on the Zoom meeting and maybe I would read a story. Never know. Okay, see you tomorrow.